Mr. Mayor, wonderful to have you with us. I need an immediate update from your little Havana down to the south across all of your county. Give us a virus update on this Tuesday.
Well, we have a positivity rate, depending on who you look at, around 22%. We have about 2,200 people in the hospital right now. About 500 people are in ICUs, and about 300 people are on ventilators. That's the highs that we've had here. But the good news, if you can say there is good news here, is that it looks like the rate of increase has decreased. And so hopefully we're reaching the plateau. So that's what's going on in Miami-Dade County right now.
Mr. Mayor, in our discussions on Bloomberg Surveillance this morning, it is a Washington going from lunch to another meeting with a presumed idea of getting to August. How urgent is for you to see a stimulus package now from Washington?
Well, I think I know that we need a stimulus package because I know that there's a bunch of restaurants or a bunch of businesses that may not come back. Right now, what we have closed are bowling alleys and casinos and places of assembly. They're closed. We have a 10 o'clock curfew. The interior spaces of restaurants are closed, or dining rooms. Bars have never opened since the beginning of the pandemic. So those kinds of businesses really need a lot of help. An economic package to help those that are unemployed get through this, and business owners to come back and open their business once they're allowed to open is, I think, very important.
Mayor Gimenez, your position is a nonpartisan one, but you've self-identified as a Republican. And as a Republican, how do you feel about the response to the virus, both nationally by President Trump, as well as more locally with Governor Ron DeSantis?
I have no problem with that. We get the resources that we need here in Miami-Dade. The governor's been excellent with us. Actually, we've asked for additional medical personnel to help staff and supplant some of our medical personnel that have actually gotten sick of the virus to keep it open, to expand our capacity. We've been able to do that. He's allowed us to have a certain level of autonomy down here because things are a little bit different in Southeast Florida than they are in the rest of the state. So I have no problem with what the governor has done. And so, look, it's just it got out of hand. We had it under control, and then sometime in June, young people started doing what young people do, I guess, and they went out and started a party and gotten together, and people and families got together. It's a little bit different down here. Families are here. The core family is here, and so we get together a lot more often. And then it started this spread. I think we can get this under control. And like I said, I think it's plateauing.
Yeah.
And and it's up to the individual person, us. This pandemic's about us, okay? And the actions that we take as Americans and as citizens.
Mr. Mayor, without a doubt, it takes personal responsibility. Without a doubt, it has to do with social distancing and mask wearing. But that said, the virus has no borders. How important is there for to be some sort of nationally coordinated effort to prevent the virus from simply migrating from one state to another as families want to get together?
Well, the problem is that's easier said than done, number one, all right? And two, we even closed our hotels, even though our hotels are open now. We're not getting too many people from outside. Our airport is down to about 1/10 of its normal activity. And so it's not this cross-contamination of people coming into Miami-Dade. It was here. And then once the social activity started, it's a highly contagious, disease. And so all of the the southern portion of the United States is getting an uptick, probably because we're reversed. I mean, in the north, you're indoors in the winter and you're outdoors in the summer. In the south, because it's hot, you're outdoors in the winter and you're indoors in the summer. And so I think that that has something to do with it too. So,
Mr. Mayor, the childhood of your little Havana, I'm going to guess nobody there cared about the payroll tax program the president is talking about now. Can you support your president wanting a payroll tax policy in this next stimulus?
I'm sorry. I haven't heard that, so I can't really give you a good opinion on one way or the other what the plans are. I know that the people here in Miami-Dade, they need help, especially those that are unemployed. Our restaurant industry, bar industry, nightclub industry, they're all been hard hit because they're closed. So those folks that are now unemployed need some money in their pocket, and those
Right.
business owners need some kind of a help to get them back. When we were able to open, to get them back and employ those people and then get back to a normal.
Right.
And the faster we get back to that normal, the better it'll be. And yeah, you need some kind of
Well,
federal help for that.